Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is now a profitable coin in the market, and once again Dogecoin will explode. I believe it. And I think they'll also start explosion it on the 1st August, and still they're in explosion mode, my friends. Guys, before starting this video, I request all of you to click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. And this video I'm talking about the urgent update of the Dogecoin, and also I'm talking about the pump of Dogecoin. When will the price pump? So first of all, my friends, the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.255532 USD dollar. That is the currently live and the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market. And on the other hand, if you look the change is over in the Dogecoin, so now just and only the last 1 hour change is negative, except after the last 1 hour, the previous last 1 day. Last 1 week changes over in the Dogecoin is positive, my friends. And my friends, guys, just look here. The last 1 week change. So my friends, that's mean that from the 1st August, the price start pump, and still they are in the pumping mode. And guys, let me show you the price chart of the Dogecoin. Wow, absolutely a massive jump so by Dogecoin. That is the last 1 day price update. But you can see this time for the last 1 hour changes the price jump. But let me show me the latest situation. The price jump, but now the latest situation is again in the pumping mode. I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.